In today's video, I got tipped off as to a barn find. Could not find the barn, did find a summer blue shark nose bluebird. Look at that colour. Look at that. Wow, I'm a big fan of this.
That's right, coming at you, my man Dan, the Australian in Japan, bringing you them classic autos from across the sea, showing them to you and me, cars that would never be seen again, rusted up, tell a friend, cars that no one gives a damn, except the Wasabi Dan, and then it's seen again, and what do you know, coming at you live in another WasabiCars video. Teaching in school.
I tell you people, it is a funny old world. Right down there is, I used to work there. I used to be the ALT, that's the assistant language teacher at that junior high school for many years. It was my first job teaching at Japanese schools. Damn. But across the road here, I was tipped off by Kenta, who I'm working with on the project car. He's got a very, very special car, which we're going to check out right this second. And I had a quick glimpse at it and I'm pretty excited. I've just been given instruction to be careful what I film because customers' cars are here, there's number plates, private information, that sort of thing. Anyway, I'm still super excited about this. There it is. This is actually damn incredible. Don't know if this is an unpopular opinion or not, but we're looking at a four-door sedan. I'm getting looked at by so many staff members. Four-door sedan. Of course, we've seen the two-door, but I like the four-door. I'm feeling quite self-conscious. Yeah. I mean, wouldn't it be a spin out if one of those people was like one of my old students? That would be amazing. Anyway, there it is, people. Wow. I did see on the rear quarter, GTX. Dude, if that's original paint, I'm just stunned. Oh, could it be? Anyway, so the plan from now is to totally, from tip to tail, check it out, and I don't know, just see what I think. Oh, okay, a senior staff member wandered over and he told me to be careful what I shoot. Yeah, but he also said it's been sitting here for so long because of the lack of parts. Yeah, I totally get that. It's just the same old story, people. Cars with no parts, you know what I mean? It's like, to be real for a second, like that's just one of my biggest fears about caring enough about a car to have one, to modify it, or to, you know, for it to be a part of your life, not just as a commuting vehicle, but as something that you enjoy as a hobby. Then keeping the effort on the road is a big concern, and I think with the car that I'll be getting, I'm going to be thinking about what can I do to make sure I have enough, consumables. You know, like the things that break, you want to have enough of those. You know, and even the things that break unexpectedly. It's just it's a concern of mine. Like, what do you think? You know what I mean? I think that's like a negative aspect of caring about cars. You know. Anyway. So I'm reckoning we are just going to pop that bonnet. I don't care what anyone says. But one thing I would like to have answered is this the original paint? And without being too paintiologist, it totally does look factory. Hey, yeah. Anyway, I'm gonna touch it. Spring. Oh, look at that. Okay. First thing I'm loving, of course, is we've got sprung hinges, you know, so I don't need to strain and blow a seal myself. And I'm looking for something stamped on the firewall. And I can see, what does it say there? G610, and there's a number which we don't need to concern ourselves with. We've got an L series 6-cylinder engine. 2 litre, because 2 litre was the good size, you know, quite frankly. But yeah, 6-cylinder, twin carburetors, airbox, that beautiful blue color. And I saw that on a G610. Almost lost the bonnet just then. That was a bit exciting. So just at a glance, I'm looking at what must be a new battery, but otherwise everything's sort of corroded, in a rough state, oxidized, grungy. But anyway, I mean, but we can certainly see that it looks to be the original color, and that's just a, look at that. Look at that color. Look at that. Wow, I'm a big fan of this. And a quick word of the styling of this car, which is just beautiful, before we get into the other bits of the car. But the styling up front, this spectacular tick style blinker and then gills, really, really cool. The snout is just fantastic. Yeah. Hey, what's that? Let's have a look here. Front discs, of course. Damn, a bit of rust up in there, but what a cool old project. What a very, very cool project this is. Under, missing some stuff there. Interior, look at that beautiful trim. That's a bit moldy. Someone put too much product in their hair, I'm guessing. And then out the back, door card. Is that the driver's? Yeah, driver's door card. So cool. 2000 GTX Bluebird badge over there. Look, I love these steering wheels. Oh, it's dark, hey. Love these steering wheels. Sporty look. Of course, this is munted. Bit of a shame to see. Oh, minus 10 points. It's an automatic, can't win them all. Now there's just in front of that shifter, there's like, I don't know, let's have a look. Oh, look to be a tape deck with some auto reverse, that's interesting. Damn, quite the spaceship. Oh, almost tripped over that actual wheel. Stock standard wheel. Again, pretty funky looking. Okay, drum brakes, independent rear suspension, that's pretty cool. Let's have a look. Damn, I mean, beyond parts, like this needs a lot of attention. Missing some garnish. 2000 GTX. And that rear, so good. So good. Fukuoka road safety, traffic safety and all that sort of stuff. Just so beautiful. Yeah, this color is amazing. And we're just going to leave it there. Everyone, thanks so much for watching. Do drop by store.wasabicars.com. Heck, here's a discount code for clothing if you want to grab a t-shirt. I myself picked up 3 t-shirts and a hoodie just recently. So I believe in my product is what I'm trying to say. I hope you subscribed and I hope you've rung the bell for notifications. Also on the second channel, which is not my channel actually, the Ahiro Shokai Super Duck channel. There is the link somewhere. Also in the description below, there is totally a link this time. Thanks so much everyone. Take it easy and goodbye.